In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a PDF from Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're a student, a professional constantly dealing with documents, or just need occasional help, being able to efficiently convert PDF files to other formats is a skill worth mastering. So let's dive right into the process. The first thing you'll need to do is open the PDF file you wish to export in Adobe Acrobat. It's important that you have your desired document ready. Double check to ensure you're working with the correct version of the file so you don't encounter any unexpected surprises later. Next, direct your attention to the right side of your Adobe Acrobat interface. You'll see an option labeled All Tools. Click on this to reveal a plethora of tools available in Adobe Acrobat. From this comprehensive list, you'll want to select Export a PDF. Now this is where the exciting part begins, as this tool provides a gateway to convert your PDF into a myriad of formats. Once you've clicked Export a PDF, a new window appears titled Export PDF to. Here you'll see a selection of different formats. Depending on your needs, you can choose from options like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or even a simple image file. Each of these formats has its use cases. For instance, selecting the Word option is perfect if you're looking to edit the content further. If your aim is to analyze data, Excel is a smart choice. For presentations, PowerPoint works wonderfully. Make your pick based on what fits your end goal. After choosing your desired format, go ahead and click on Convert. This action sets the conversion process in motion. With Adobe's efficient software, the conversion is typically quick. Once the conversion is complete, a prompt will appear asking you to choose a location to save your newly exported file. This is an important step because it ensures your file is easily accessible when you need it. Consider creating a dedicated folder for your exported documents if you're dealing with multiple files. This small organizational step can save time later. Click Save, and just like that, your PDF has been transformed into the format you need. To wrap it up, we've walked through opening your PDF, navigating to the All Tools menu, selecting Export a PDF, choosing your desired output format, clicking Convert, and saving the file in a convenient location. Now you're equipped with the know-how to convert PDFs effortlessly. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try exporting different files into various formats. Thank you for joining me today, and happy exporting.